Are you an aspiring entrepreneur or an established industrialist seeking subsidies for your manufacturing projects? Look no further. Tridev Industrial Consultancy in Mehsana and Ahmedabad is your trusted partner. More than 25-year experience for unlocking the full potential of government subsidy schemes and support. Our experienced subsidy consultants, Mr. Hareshbhai Patel and Mr. Bhaumik Patel, provide tailored solutions to meet your project's specific requirements. From initial consultation to paperwork assistance, we guide you every step of the way. Maximize the benefits offered by the central and Gujarat governments, including schemes like CLCSS, MSME unit subsidy, and subsidies for engineering project, pharmaceutical project as well as food and agro-processing projects and project loans. With a proven track record of success, we've assisted clients like Milan Pipe, Wimco Group, Venus Group, Nucare Group, and many more with 100% success ratio. Don't let subsidy complexities hold you back. Visit tridevconsultant.com today and unlock the potential of government subsidies for your industrial and manufacturing projects. Tridev Industrial Consultancy, your key to subsidy success.